Create memories with the beautiful circle of friends. It's 8 friendship stars woven together. Just beautiful. And you can use a layer cake. Look at those beautiful colors. Get a bright one. Now you start with the background fabric. You need lots of 2.5-inch strips and 2.5-inch squares. So the easiest way is with the Shape Cut Pro. Oh, Teresa is a whiz at this. Look at that girl go. And then once you get the strips cut, then just go ahead, line those up, turn your shape cut the other way, and cut 2.5-inch squares. Oh, you're almost there. Stack those squares up, and you only have one more size for the center. It's a 6.5-inch square. Use your 6 by 24 and cut with your 12.5-inch, and you're ready to sew. Grab one of your squares, a bright square from the layer cake, and cut that layer cake into 3-inch strips. Now just cut one 2.5-inch square right off of the corner, and all the rest of them are 3-inch squares. Use our new ruler, the double square up ruler. It's got squares on one side, very handy. And after you mark all of your 3-inch squares across, cut off that little end, turn your ruler, and now use the triangle side and draw your diagonal lines. It's off to the sewing machine, so 1/4 inch away from the diagonal lines. And then go back to cutting. Cut 3-inch squares first, then on the diagonal line. Use your triangle part to square them up. Find the 2.5-inch line and put that 2.5-inch line on the stitches. And all you have to do is just trim off those two sides, trim off your tips, press the seams to the dark. Now the corners are actually 4 patches. So take your first 4 patch, take those pieces, and stack 2 pairs up, right sides together, assembly line sew. Open those up, and then just flip the other way. Now you're going to have to press that top seam up. Hold it down. Oh, your stiletto would be very helpful. And now we're going to swirl this very center. Cut those stitches, and then after they're cut, lay your block flat. Give it a little pressure on those seams. Mush that center, and it's ready. Now the side parts are a little more complicated, but they make everything lock together. Swirl the first seam, but not the second one. It's amazing how they go together. And then just lay out all of those pieces, all 8 around. Get your 6.5-inch square in the center. It is perfect. And then remember, you have those points on the outside edges. You've added strips to the sides, so put those in place, matching that color. Oops, that doesn't look right, Al. I don't know. Turn it around. Nope, it's still not right. It's back to unsewing. So you've created a memory of quilting friends.